Hi, my name is Emily. Been a nurse for 6 years, worked in various departments, currently working in orthopedics. Today I'm going to do a product review for you guys. The original scrub watch by Speidel. Received it just in time for vacation. No, I don't live in Florida, but currently on vacation, so going to give this product a try out on vacation and then when I get home. So received it just in time, came in this cute packaging. Love this. It is definitely geared towards healthcare professionals, which is awesome. I'm gonna open it up for you guys and give you a look. Got this, thank you for your order. It's talking about if you're happy with the product, which is great. That means they want feedback, which I love that about companies. They're always trying to get better. Then if you open up this black box here, it looks like this is the watch. I got the black version, very simple. It is a silver face, which I love. I'm a silver person. I don't think it comes in other colors like rose gold or anything like that, but silver is a classic color. Big watch face, which is great. Easy to read. Numbers are awesome. There is the 12 hours, and then there is also 24 hours on there for military time, which is great for charting for healthcare professionals. We do also see the red second hand, which is great for heart rate, respiratory rate, just whatever we need to do. And then if you pull this out, it looks like, got a little instruction here, talks about how to remove the red stopper to get the clock to start working. It is not digital, so it's not your smartphone or watch or anything like that. It's not gonna give you steps, give you your text message, but it's very simple and gonna get the job done for a watch. Take this off here. It is a stainless steel back, very durable. I know you can get that engraved, which is awesome. Black silicone band, which is durable, stretchy. Love that, easy to clean. So I'm gonna throw it on here for you guys. Does not have a calendar on here, so you can't see the date, but I do believe that Speidel does offer watches with the date on there, which is great. And there's the watch. I'll be sure to give you guys an update after my vacation, how it holds up, and then how it holds up at work as well. Thanks.